You totally see this.
Mom!
Oh,
The toilet's clogged again.
Never fear, Super Plumber is here.
Wow, a plumber.
I spend my time installing, maintaining, and even fixing broken pipes. Wow.
I want to be a plumber too.
It's not all it's cracked up to be, actually. In our days, in cramped spaces, and even getting around water that's not exactly clean.
How can I be a plumber too?
Well, little girl, in high school you're going to have to take a lot of shop classes and other math courses, even a physics class. It's not as easy as it sounds, but it doesn't require college. Super Plumbers, unite!